You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly this name of English origin. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, stay tuned. I've got tons more for you at the end of this video. In English, it's most generally pronounced as Kelsie. C. I know it can be a little bit confusing with this spelling, but it's not Kelsie or Kelsie. Kelsie, stress on the first syllable. Easy, straightforward once you know Kelsie, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.